In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly site language. This is a simple yet important step that can greatly enhance the usability and accessibility of your website, especially if you have a diverse audience. Whether you're seeking to cater to international visitors or just prefer a different default language for your own use, this adjustment can be quickly made within your Weebly site editor. Let's jump right into the process so you can have your site up and running in the language of your choice. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Weebly site's editor. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll see a number of menu options. Look for the option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will bring up a range of options for customizing your site. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they offer various ways to tailor your site to better fit your needs and those of your visitors. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there, each representing different areas you can adjust. For now, you want to head over to General Settings. This section houses the overarching options that govern your site's configuration, and it's where you'll find what you need to change the language setting. Within the General Settings, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you reach the Site Formatting section. This part of the settings contains various adjustable parameters that define how your site is presented, including time format, date format, and of course, language. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu specifically labeled Site Language. Clicking on this drop-down menu will present you with a list of available languages you can choose from. Simply scroll through the options until you find your preferred language. Once you've made your selection, click to confirm your choice. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the language settings on your Weebly site. This change will take effect immediately, allowing you to see everything from your page titles to your navigation elements in the language you've selected. This simple adjustment can truly make a world of difference for both you and your site visitors. Always remember, frequent checks and updates to your site ensure that it remains user-friendly and accessible to a broader audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Weebly site editing!